Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can blur the background in Picsart. So let's go ahead and open the Picsart which is in your phone. Now what you need to do is hit the plus button in the middle of your screen. Now tap on the picture which you want to edit. Hit the FX Effects button and then hit blur. So hit the blur button and then hit this eraser button over the top. Now scroll and hit the background. You can see that the background is blurred. So let me teach it to you once again. You should simply go and hit the plus button which is in the middle of your screen. Now tap on the picture which you want to edit and hit the FX Effects button, go to blur and hit the blur button. Now tap on eraser and scroll and hit the background. You can see that the background has been blurred. Hit on the tick mark, hit on the tick mark again and click on save. Now save as JPG, PNG or PDF according to your wish and hit the save button again. And the photo has been saved to your gallery. So this was a video on how you can blur the background in Picsart. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.